Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. This is Islamic Studio and Tutorial Center. Today topic is past continuous tense. As a topic ko budi past continuous tense layer number 6. Luenke do ashine pine de kala guzuriyo de time made wat asli guzuriyo de time made yo oye ehono yan kyase wat ase e indila dase zamana. Verb form was wire plus verb ing. Tuli ibo the past continuous tense or verb form. Subject yer bada se verb form. I, he, she, it the pronoun. I, he, she, it in the third person singular or baki zina se in begin the a begin subject in the plural. I, he, she, it in the third person singular yer bada baki zina se beginning subject beginning plural. Tuli subject zidishe I, he, she, it. I, hiti, hiba, hian. Hindila zidishe third person singular le ashido tigile verb form oibode was plus verb ing oibo. We, you, they amyanem. We are you, they tara. Hindila zidishe plural le ashido tigile waya plus verb ing oibo. Kintu singular de plural made kyase e base com ase. Sign number 3 madi ati duin ti shado achingu popya yui tadzuntaya pipyane digo popya ya duin lekong guzariyo de time madi ti shado achingu soyi time ori the hebel labuli tadzuntaya pipyane digo hono kan gotna watte kidi hianori popya yadwin legong the hebella oliok. Example sayara. Example 1. Mother was watching television at 7 o'clock last night. The subject mother ashi. Mother oyide third person singular. At the level to verb form was plus verb ing luavje. Amega mene yak naima yomin tenja chikede mamaida se gotoretta hattabaze TV side. Number 2. He was walking in the garden at 8 o'clock yesterday morning. The subject he the talabinartu was plus verb ing luavje. Tu menega menashaina ima uyen tema allaulo kede hite gotahilla binna attabade baganor bitore hamgujil. Number ni achin cha long ne jong popya yadwin legong somoda ase diri porjonto gorat tagde hindila haloto kolori the hebella. Number 3. We were playing football all evening. We were playing football all evening. Subject the case we eshe subject we eshe the label to were plus verb ing lu of j. Snoro tanya nelung bonung kada kede arada se furor at purjanto bon clay. Number 4. The baby was crying. The baby was crying the whole day. The baby hodeba third person singular data labli was plus bafa injiri artu lu afujide klega tanelu ngukere fuawada se furadin hande number 2 atine patama api apya sataipi niding duria apya pai takutemi pila keling number kaji patama apya go past continuous tense ne popya yabi number kakwe duria apya go simple past tense ne popya yabi पहले गुजरिए दे टाइम मध्ये पटमा अपे फोले शुरू मध्ये एकान घटना ओइदिहान सटाइपि नीदिंग लगातार वारोये दुडिया अपे दु नंबर घटना ओइदिहान तक्कु ठेमी पीला केलिंग आबार दो दिशेग मतो ए सिदोति गिले काजी पटमा अपे गो फास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेस्ट ने पपे आयाबी फोले शुरू तो इदि घटना हियानोरे फास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेस्ट लोयारे दहाई बादे 2 নম্বরত ওই দে ঘটনা হিয়ানরে সিম্পল পাস্ট টেন্স লয়ারে দাহা ফুরিব তলি এই নাম্বার 3 লয়ার গো কি আছে রিলেটেড হদুন্দা আছে এই সাইরগো ফর্মুলা আছে ইনেক না করে আর সাই নাম্বার এ when plus subject plus verb to subject plus was where plus verb ing ইবো ইদের নাম্বার এ ইয়ার বাদ গো নাম্বার বি subject plus was where plus verb ing when verb ing plus when plus subject plus verb to ये बाद नंबर सी subject plus was where plus verb ing plus while plus subject plus was where plus verb ing इबो इधर नंबर सी यार बाद असली नंबर डी while plus subject plus was where plus verb ing comma subject plus verb to इस साइड को दासे फॉर्मूला आसे इस साइड को फॉर्मूला रिलेटेड दासे आरे सो एग्जांपल दिए आरे एग्जांपल इनसाइड Number 1, he was sleeping when his friend came. Tali subject of the ashe he ashe yer baad was plus verb ing ashe tali iba oide number B formula layer ashe tali he was sleeping kodiyanu ide past continuous tense यार बाद when his friend came his hoddi boide subject came hoddi boide verb to toli iboide simple past tense tu tunge sin yawlare aka ene kere hitedase hitar fuajagin ashide timeout hite gungil number 2 while he was sleeping his friend came toli while plus subject he ashe was plus verb ing ashe toli ibo ide past continuous tense yer baade comma his friend came tele subject plus verb to ashe tele ibo ide number D formula jiba ase iba tele his friend came hodde anide simple past tense tu enedu tu tunge shen yawla kede hite gumzat ase gumot ase hitar fuajagin ashil Number 3, Mama was watching TV when Mama came home. Mama was watching TV when Mama came home. Toli subject ashide Mama was plus verb ing ashe. Toli ibo ide past continuous tense. Yar baad ashide when Mama came home tele when plus Mama hodiba subject plus came hodiba verb to tele ibo ide simple past tense tele iba number B formula layare ashe Mama e pe yoda mama tv chikere momong da se abar gungil e mama da se tv sai momong da se sorry zetini ki momong gorma du wafesa shil da se mama gungil. Number 4, Mama was watching TV while Mama was reading a book. The subject da se mama she was plus third person singular datalabali was plus bafa ing she teli ibo ide present past continuous tense yar bade while Mama was reading a book momong hodiba while plus momong hodiba although the third person singular subject tele was reading a she tele ibo ide number c formula layare a she number c maziba formula c balayare a she ba tele momon sao penezing mama tv shi kedi momong da se এই কি করা তাসছিল বুক ফরা তাসছিল মমঙে বুক ফরা তাসছিল মামা ইদা আছে টিভি সাই Number 5, while mama was watching TV, John read a book. John read a book. তাইলে while plus subject আছে মামা হদ দিবা third person singular ইয়ার বাদে was plus বাফা ইংজি আসছে ইয়ার বাদে কেসে কমা আসছে ইয়ার বাদে কমা আসছে তৈলি ইবো ইদে past continuous tense ইয়ার বাদে John read a book ইয়ার বাদে John read a book John হদ দিবা subject read হদ দিবা verb to তৈলি ইবো ইদে number D formula লেয়ারে আসছে John read a book hod dibo ide simple past tense. Mama TV shiniding John zi sao tao pe kedi. Mama ida se TV sat ashil John ida se book fojil. John e ogwa book fojil. Number 6, when I saw him, he was playing chess. He was playing chess. Totally, when plus subject plus verb to ashe. When plus subject plus verb to ashe. Totally, subject idi I, third person singular. Totally, plus verb to ashe. Totally, ibo idi past continuous tense. Here but he was playing chess. Tell subject plus was plus verb ing she. Tell subject idi he third person singular. It label was plus verb ing ni anabuji. Tell ibo idi simple past tense. Number 6 formula idi number A formula jiba ase hiba. Ngatu go mondo saidu inka danere ai thar dikki hitda se ai zetni ki tar dikkilam hitda se e dabakalat rui ase ite dabakalat ai zette thare ki gojilam dikkilam hete hite dabakalat ase dabakala hodiba e kinkaladilla arar kinkalaatde e kinkaladilla ajja topic ide ekdur channel ত নয় ide tigli channel lo subscribe गरिबा नया नया वीडियो को भाई बोला बोली डाको तो असदे बेल आइकन नसीबी दिबा वीडियो पसंद लगी द tigli लाइक गरिबा शेयर गुत्ती कियो न बोलिबा अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाह।